In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to adjust the color threshold video effect on your VLC Media Player application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Tools tab at the top, and then select Effects and Filters. Select the Video Effects tab, and then there should be something here that says Colors. And then you can adjust the color threshold by check marking that box, and then you can adjust the saturation as well as the similarity. Select Save to save it, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.